Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare error, and the error is connection failed, unable to access online services. So if you're getting this connection failed error in the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So if you have the game on Steam, so go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Then open the _retail_ folder and then look for a Modern Warfare exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. And then again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and this time look for COD exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. And if you find a Modern Warfare launcher exe file also, then add it to the list. Now go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and then click on allow another app and then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So again go to the C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, then open the retail folder and then select the Modern Warfare exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. And then again click on allow another app, browse, and this time select COD exe file and click on open and then again click on add to add it to the list. And if you find Modern Warfare launcher exe file, then add this exe file as well. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. This is the Dead by Daylight game, but you have to select private and public next to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare and then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 2 is to make sure your PC has correct date and time region. So right click on this date and time and then click on adjust date and time. And here make sure set time automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. In my PC it is grayed out, but in your PC if set time zone automatically is off, then turn it on. Then scroll down, under additional settings you will see sync now option. Click on sync now button. Now scroll down, click on language and region, and here make sure that your country or region is selected over here. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch launcher. Now if you are launching the game from Steam, then switch to Battle.net and then try to launch the game and check. And if you are launching the game from Battle.net, then switch to Steam and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. Now if connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. And if connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile network via hotspot and then check. Fix 5 is to connect to VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. and then check. You can get the free or trial version of this VPN from the internet. Fix 6 is to restart your PC. So just simply restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So if you have the game on Steam, open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare game and then select properties. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And if you have the game on Battle.net, then launch the Battle.net. Select the Call of Duty Modern Warfare and next to play button click on the setting icon and then click on check for repair. and then repair it. And after repairing the files, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game as an administrator. So open the game installation folder. If you have game on Steam, then go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare folder. Then open the retail folder and then look for Modern Warfare exe file. Right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then run the COD exe file as an admin and then check. Fix 9 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi and then click on properties. And then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now check mark the second option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK, then close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to reset your internet connection. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this 3 code one by one. So copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description. So copy it, paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the second code, paste it over here and then hit enter. And then copy the third code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game and check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve connection failed, unable to access online services error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.